What's going on, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs on my way to the real estate auction today with Patrick Casey, who's one of my coaching clients that moved out here from South Florida in order to achieve his real estate goals. Now, Patrick's goal is to move out of the country, and he needs a couple of $100,000 in order to do that. So he wants to flip real estate, and we're heading to the auction to look at a property that can potentially put 6 figures in his pocket. So I wanted to vlog the experience. Now, I can't bring cameras into the courthouse, so obviously the video quality is going to be a little different because I'm on my iPhone. But at the very least, you guys will be able to benefit from seeing if we win the property or not. At the end of the day, the goal for today is to get that property to help Patrick make some money so that he can fund his goal of moving wherever he wants to move in the world. He hired me in order to be able to do that. I'm gonna make sure we hit that goal. So today we're vlogging Patrick going to the courthouse. Hopefully we're gonna be able to win the property. And if we do, I'll share it with you. If we don't, I'll share it with you. But at least you guys will benefit from the experience. Let's get into it. Hey, what's going on? So just giving you guys a quick update. I'm sitting here with my man Patrick, and we just walked out of the courthouse. Let me show you. So there's the courthouse in Greensboro and Winston-Salem in the Triad area. It's pretty normal for very few people to show up at these auctions. So today we had the actual family, or we're guessing this, we don't know this to be for certain, but we had the family of the property that we were bidding on show up. But then he didn't expect the starting bid to be so high. So then he just walked out. Now this property is worth about $550,000. That's what Casey said, right?
Yeah, the real estate agent.
Yeah, so then the opening bid was right around $309,400. Nobody bid on the property. We have to upset the bid tomorrow. Now that's gonna cost us about $10,000.
Yeah, I lost about 15 grand today because I left my checks back at the house, and you have to have your check when you're bidding. Gotta
have 5% to put down when you're bidding. And you know, unfortunately the checks were left home. So it's just gonna cost money, but it's still a great deal. He's still gonna be able to upset the bid for less money than what he initially wanted to pick the property up for anyway. You know what I mean? So you got anything to say, man?
I mean, it's a great deal. I'm just a little disappointed in myself. I mean, all I had to do was bring my checks today, but as a result of me not bringing my checks today, I lost $15,000.
Yeah.
So yeah, but it's still a great deal. I'm still excited about it. So got 10 days, you know, to pretty much upset the bid. So I'm definitely gonna be back here and you know, pay the extra money I have to pay now.
That's it, man. I'm not gonna be able to make it tomorrow, but Patrick is gonna be he's gonna be able to come and go up to the 4th floor tomorrow to be able to put his bid in and put down his money, and hopefully he'll get the property. Now, how much profit potential is on this thing, man?
Whew, well, now about $195,000 now.
Sheesh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, real quick, you know, because I want to obviously film a lot more content with you, but what's the goal for you?
My goal is to one day live in the Philippines. My goal was, when I talked to Jamel, be like, hey Jamel, I want to get at least $160,000 to relocate to another country. That was my goal. He said it was possible, but little did I know this might happen all within one deal. That's pretty crazy. I were to think maybe 3 or 4 deals will get me to my goal, but just one deal, that's crazy. Yeah, man.
Good stuff, man. So we'll keep you guys posted. You know, I like to be honest with numbers. I like to be honest all the way around. Even if we don't get the deal, we'll let you guys know. But I wanted to bring you guys on Patrick's journey, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. All right, so check it out. A lot of people have been reaching out to me in regards to getting started in real estate. And as you can see, my clients get results when they actually put in the work. I'm not gonna do the work for you. I'm gonna provide you with the blueprint on how to get started, but you gotta get out there and actually put that work in. If you wanna explore coaching, that's perfectly fine. I don't take on a lot of coaching clients because I love my free time, but the clients that I do work with, I make sure that they get what they need in order to be successful in this business. Check out dealprocoaching.com. dealprocoaching.com if you want to explore coaching. If not, I have another training that you can get started with for less than $10 today. It's called Laptop House Flips. If you want to learn how to get started flipping real estate with 2 to 3 hours a day, with no experience, with very little capital, with no credit needed, if you want to get started in real estate on that particular level, and real estate coaching is not within your ballpark right now, feel free to check the link in the description box below to check out the training that I have. Right now is less than $10. The real estate market is prepped with motivated sellers who are having a hard time selling because we're in a buyer's market right now. It's a great time to be in real estate if you know what you're doing. And the strategy that I lay out in that training will share with you exactly how to get started, again, with very minimal risk on your behalf. All you got to do is put in the work. Now, again, if you want coaching, dealprocoaching.com. That comes with a time investment as well as a financial investment. But again, if you want to get started for less than $10, I have that training for you. Be sure to check the link below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.